Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board from Chapter 3, Section 3. But I went back to Chapter 1. I guess it's Section 3 on page 29. They have this nice table back in the very first chapter on page 29. State which circular functions are undefined that negative pi has. Well, if you remember, negative pi has, that's the same as minus 90 degrees. Converting from radians to degrees and vice versa. And so if we look here, we just look at 90 degrees. What's undefined? Well, there's two of them undefined. One of them's tangent, and one of them's secant. And you see, that's what you've got marked here. So I'd just say go back to Chapter 1, Section 3, and refresh your memory on this section. I know that may help.